Hey, I'm Hercules, the alligator snapping turtle. Well, I would just say some things to a few people out there. 1. Gabby. 2. Sydney. 3. Emma. 4. Autumn. Nathan. Jake. Jenna. Jacob, also aka Cruiser. Rachel Lifer. Rachel Lifer, actually, RL. Then there's Bradley Chef, also known as Sheffer or Chefmeister. Kayla. And I'm scared. Sydney, Gabby, Cheyenne, and that's all. But yeah, and I'm singing this song to them. And Mr. Steele, by the way. Okay. All I want for Christmas are my snapping teeth. My snapping teeth. My snapping teeth. All I want for Christmas are my snapping teeth. Snapping teeth. Yes, sirree. Bye. Have a good day. From Hercules.